use flash fill to fill the IDs. Now here, if you look at the employee IDs, it's using the first letter of the first name and last name. So SM for Stephanie Michaelski, dash WO because that's women's department, and then department code is 010. So that's how it is made. Now you can use flash fill to auto generate the rest. So you just need one of them, but since we have a banding here going on, so to preserve that banding, I'm going to do one more. So I'm going to say MA and dash WO dash 010. So once you have these two, I'm going to highlight these two, and then I'm going to fill it down. So once you fill it down, you can see that it doesn't do a good job here. This should be JEME, and then this should be 021. This should be LMCH 034, and then what we're going to do here is it's not applying it properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this and then select flash fill option. Okay, so once you select flash fill, that fixes it. I say here JEME men's, and then LM, LR, and so on. So let's do that one more time. So you have this, fill it. Once you fill it, just make sure you go to this small tag here, click on it, select flash fill.